this one looks pretty straightforward, so I'm going to do it first. So yeah, it's just right here. Oh, by the way, these things rock. It's just a 10mm spinner. It's got a ratchet in the end. Little nut. Unscrew that. That'll do. Oh, mirror away. Awesome. Yeah, should be. Okay, so this should just, oh. That was easy. So this one should just go straight in, I believe. That's looking awesome straight away. There should be enough grease still on this bolt itself. Maybe I'll just like...
Baby, it's really amazing what I go through without you.
Oh yeah. Nice and slippery. Why am I using the left hand? Such a fucking retard. There you go. Screw up. Oh, this screw sucks. Go. Remove the other one. I can't get to the bolt. It's in there. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm going to loosen this off, twist it. Alright, I'm going to undo this a bit. Or loosen a bit. Now, hopefully I can get to the nut that's underneath. I don't think I need the extension. You always need an extension. Okay, I needed 2 hands to do that bit. But now, oh, that needs a bit of lube. This is just like a normal bicycle style setup. It's got the thing just in there. You just twist it and... Okay, of course I need 2 hands again. How to make everything take twice as long. Record it. Oops. And this one's got the same little spot to put the that little annoying bit into. Okay, so I got a bit ahead of myself. It was actually really easy to get this thing on. So there's a little pin in here to make sure that was lined up, and then just put the little cable in there as usual. And yeah, lined up the pin, hooked it in, and just pushed this in. So now I'm just going to tighten this up, and then try to get to the right level and tighten that up. Step 1, tighten that up first. Now, step 1, get the fucking nut. Okay. Get in there. Oh, fucking hell. This thing actually sits in so it stops spinning. This is what made it so hard. Trying to hold a camera. Hold a camera. Hold this. Hold just everything at once. It's impossible. Alright, I might maybe just try not to push it up. Impossible! Alright, using 2 hands. Sorry again, guys. You just imagine the magic that happens here. There you go, so that's done up now. I just need to line it up. You have to adjust this again too. How to line up your levers. Guesstimate. Oh fuck! It's down there. God damn it. smashed the sail on the bike normally to feel if it felt like it lined up. That's pretty sweet where it is there. Yeah, make sure this thing's not tight. But no, that's not going anywhere. Okay, one last step. Because we slashed it off this, you can see there's a gap. That needs to be all the way up. Apparently every single thing you do on this bike you need 2 hands for. Every time I hit that, it stops. Oh my god! Last step, get all the greasy shit off. Looks a lot neater. Too easy. Done. It took forever. Alright. Until the next modding session. That's it. Out.